This is James Waters speaking again with Elijah Ignatieff on the Planetary Guardians, and my little ramble is going to be about the Rolling Thunder Holistic Warrior Training Society and what we do. A like-minded group of individuals who get together semi-regularly to train, help each other, teach each other to become better warriors, better helpers of the people. So we discuss philosophies and we discuss how we're feeling and what's going on in our lives. We also, we'll do some martial things together where everyone's got a different comfort range and skill level. So we try to find a way to help each other learn and grow and become better helpers in that way. And then, there's the spiritual side of it, where we share spiritual moments in nature and recognize the beauty of nature and the connection to nature and our connection to ourselves and the nature around us, and certain ceremonial practices that it's all up to the individual and what you're comfortable with. There's no one way, there's no one idea, one way to do things, one martial art method, one spiritual method. It's all whatever works for you, because we're training ourselves, and all Rolling Thunder is working together with a group of people, being each other's teachers and students, being each other's helpers, being each other's observers on our growth. And the longer you train with someone over the years, some people have trained with quite a while, you can see the growth, the personal development, the growth of them as a being, as a human, as a warrior. Their confidence, their quiet humbleness. Rolling Thunder, we try to avoid things like, self-aggrandizement. We try to avoid things like revenge or vengeful thoughts and things like that, and try to get rid of negativities and anger and rage and that kind of stuff, and try to channel it in a more healthy, positive way. So that's all Rolling Thunder is. It's just a group of people who get together and help each other, help ourselves on the warrior way. The way of the peaceful warrior is a good beginning, and yeah.